Hey everyone, today we are talking about a mini PC that's been getting a lot of attention lately, the Cutesliving NUC12 Extreme Kit. If you've been wondering whether this thing is actually worth the investment, especially if you're into gaming, content creation, or just need a powerful desktop in a tiny package, stick around. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, let's talk about what makes this mini PC stand out. It's built around an Intel Core i7-12700 processor, which is no slouch. I've been running it for a few weeks now, and it handles everything from heavy multitasking to gaming without breaking a sweat. Whether you're editing 4K video, streaming, or running multiple virtual machines, this thing keeps up. And the best part? It's housed in a compact, sleek chassis that fits just about anywhere. No giant tower taking up half your desk, just a small box that packs serious power. One of the biggest selling points for me was the fact that it supports a full-size desktop GPU. That's right, you're not stuck with some weak integrated graphics here. I popped in an RTX 3070, and the performance was smooth. Gaming at 1440p is a breeze, and even demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 run well with the settings maxed out. If you're a creator who needs GPU acceleration for things like Blender or Premiere Pro, this setup is a game saver. Plus, the Thunderbolt 4 ports make it easy to connect high-speed external drives or even a high-res monitor without any lag. Connectivity is another area where this mini PC shines. You've got multiple USB ports, including Thunderbolt 4, which is great for future-proofing. I've been using it with a 4K monitor, a mechanical keyboard, and even a capture card for streaming, all at the same time, without any issues. The expandability is also impressive. You can add more RAM, swap out the SSD, or even upgrade the CPU down the line if you need to. It's like having a desktop that grows with your needs, but without the bulk. Now, let's talk about the performance. The 64GB of RAM and 4TB SSD combo means you're not waiting around for anything to load. I've had dozens of Chrome tabs open, a few virtual machines running, and a game in the background, and the system never once stuttered. The cooling system is also worth mentioning, it's quiet. I was expecting some fan noise, but it's barely audible even under heavy load. That's a big deal if you're using this in a shared space, or just don't want the constant hum of a desktop. For creators, this is a dream machine. Whether you're editing videos, rendering 3D models, or working with large datasets, the i7-12700 and the ability to add a powerful GPU make it a powerhouse. And if you're a gamer who wants a compact rig that can still handle modern titles, this is a solid choice. The only thing to keep in mind is that it's not exactly plug and play if you're not comfortable building or upgrading a PC. You'll need to install the GPU yourself, which might be a hurdle for some users. Also, while the chassis is compact, it's still a bit larger than your average mini PC, so make sure you've got the space for it. So, who's this mini PC for? If you're a power user who needs desktop-level performance in a small form factor, the Cutesliving NUC12 Extreme Kit is absolutely worth considering. It's not cheap, but if you need the power and the flexibility, it's one of the best options out there. Just be ready to do a little setup work if you're adding your own GPU. If you're on the fence, I'd say go for it, especially if you're into gaming or content creation. The performance-to-size ratio is impressive, and the expandability means it can grow with you. Check it out using the link below if you want to see the specs or grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.